My dear learners, respectable guardians, well wishers, and my colleagues, Assalamu alaikum. I think all of you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. My dear learners, I think though you are physically well, your mentality is not well because of COVID-19. For a long time, you are staying at home because of coronavirus. For that, we are very shocked. But our present government has arranged a online class for your betterment. I am MD Jahangir Hossain, Assistant English teacher of Shoaib Senior Secondary School. Okay, my dear learners, today I will teach you EFT of class 9 and 10. Okay, let's go to the lesson. What is the lesson of today? Unit 5, lesson 1, and the name of the topic is the grade of the Loring River. Clear? Thank you. Everybody will open your respective textbooks and follow with me with great attention. I am going through the text. Everybody will keep silent and listen to me. Okay? Thank you. Let's start. Mirjan lives in Islam on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roofed shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age in front of her shelter. She is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and stove to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing of the flames reminds Mirjan of the turmoil in her life. Okay. Next, not long ago, Mirjan had everything: a family, cultivable land and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna consumed all her landed property gradually. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to demolish Mirjan's house, trees, vegetable garden and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to disease that class, hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The great Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are thousands others waiting to share the same fate like Mehirjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers that affect in its people. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the banks. During its, mon- during its monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the rolling rivers like the Jamuna, the Padma, and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main damages caused by climate change. If we can't take prompt action to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjan in our towns and villages every year. Okay, what will what outcomes will be helpful for you? After we have started this unit, we will be able to comprehend and summarize text, ask and answer questions, take part in debates on given topics, take part in role playing and making dialogues, draft and deliver lectures on given topics, write letters to network highlighting certain problems, write slogans for posters. Okay, there are some new words of vocabs are written for your betterment. Look at the blackboard and listen to me with great attention. Number 1, roofed, covered or covered with roof. Okay. Number 2, turmoil, confusion, violent. Number 3, monsoon, a seasonal wind in southern Asia that brings heavy rainfall. Number 4, river, destroy or ruin or crash. Number 5, shatter, that means ruin or you can say crash. Number 6, harsh, cruel, unkind or severe. Number 7, embankment, dam, wall, earthwork. Okay. Number 8, demolish, destroy or shatter. Number 9, prompt, without delay, immediate. Finally, consume, to do away with completely or never. Okay, my dear learners, thank you everybody. You will invite all our learners to join our groups.